So most people solve this question like 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. And again 12 minus 2 is equal to 12. 10. So 10 multiply 10. 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So it's equal to 12 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So multiply 10, right? Now 2 multiply 10 is equal to 20. So 12 minus 20, right? Now 12 minus 20 is equal to minus 8. So the correct answer is minus 8. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.